This meditation is brought to you by Fe Pacheco, creator of the ScalarPrana Method. Copyright 2024.
So just close your eyes. Okay? Be still, be aware. Now, if you are a ScalarPrana practitioner, do scalar breathing and create your ball of life. If you are not yet, okay, just relax. Be receptive. I will send you scalar energy. So do breathing. Inhale and exhale. Slowly, comfortably. So this meditation will help you release your negative traits and heal your shadow self. It will bring light and understanding to areas within that have been hidden and wounded. So just relax and be receptive to the scalar energy. And let us invoke for divine blessings. The Supreme Being, thank you for granting us the strength to see our negative traits with compassion, to release our fears, doubts, and pains that no longer serve us, to transform our shadow self into love and wisdom. And thank you for helping us walk in peace and heal our being with your presence, with love and gratitude in full faith. So be it. Just be aware of your breathing. Inhale and exhale. And form the intention that you welcome all parts of yourself with love and kindness. And just imagine a soft, warm light bathing you in a comforting, gentle glow. And you feel this sense of safety and openness. Just relax. And just be aware of this warm light surrounding you. And for those who have ScalarPrana background, continue with your scalar breathing. So think of a negative trait that you want to be released. It can be any of the following, like victim mentality, controlling behavior, people pleasing, arrogance, superiority complex, perfectionist, being judgmental, enviousness or jealousy. And be aware of the feelings connected to the negative trait that you want to be released. These feelings may include anger, jealousy, fear, resentment, insecurity, or anything that you have hidden or did not acknowledge. And be aware of these emotions that are creating tension or discomfort. Just observe them without trying to change them, without judgment. And you may recall recent situations where these feelings or reactions surfaced. Recall the circumstances, the people involved, and how you felt. Maybe a feeling of inadequacy. Maybe you feel defensive or misunderstood. You may ask yourself, what is this feeling trying to tell me? What is it that I am trying to protect about myself? And listen to the answers that come up. Feel the answer. And just relax. Inhale and exhale. Just wait. And just imagine a figure emerging in front of you. This figure is your shadow self, or the presence, the dweller on the threshold, the shadow self that has been hiding. It is your dark personality. You look at it, it could look like you, or it could appear as something abstract. And welcome this figure as an important part of you. It has been waiting to be acknowledged. And in your mind, you ask, what do you need me to understand about you? And listen with an open heart, accepting whatever message comes. The shadow self or the dweller may reveal feelings of fear, hurt, or even self-protection. It has tried to serve you. So you give it thanks. But it is something that you don't need anymore. So you form the intention that you are releasing this energy. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. And do it several times until you feel grounded and at peace. Feel yourself connected to Mother Earth. Be aware of the roots coming out from the soles of your feet and from the base of your spine. You are grounded. You feel balanced and centered. And just be aware of this luminous, soft, protective light enveloping you. It is pure, warm, and filled with unconditional love and understanding. This light is within you and around you. It's connected to the divine light within you. Inhale and exhale. Do it several times. As you're doing this, you feel this light around you just expanding. The light is intensifying. And you look at your shadow self and you visualize you are reaching out to your shadow self. You are reaching out to the dweller on the threshold and gently pull it close to you. Embrace it. It is a part of your whole being, and acknowledge it with compassion. And just whisper, I accept you as a part of me. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And let this luminous light begin to penetrate your shadow self. And the light reveals the emotions that you have buried or hidden. Observe without judgment. And whisper again to your shadow self, I understand you, and I now release you. And continue with your breathing and visualize this light dissolving the dark energies of these negative traits. Continue with your breathing. If you are a ScalarPrana practitioner, you throw these dark energies out into the scalar field. Feel the energy intensifying. Feel your whole being complete, your energy renewed, and feel inner peace. And allow healing to deepen as you breathe. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And just visualize the light penetrating into every part of your being. It is infusing your body, your heart, your mind. And just say in your mind, I am whole, I am complete, I am enough. And feel a deep sense of peace and lightness within. You feel your shadow self is healing. You feel a surge of new energy. And just visualize this light still radiating from within, in all directions, your environment. It glows with the intention of drawing toward you what you truly seek: love, purpose, success, joy, prosperity, spirituality. Think of what your heart truly desires. Just continue scalar breathing and feel gratitude in your heart. To the Supreme Being, to the healing angels and archangels, the invisible helpers. Thank you. Just absorb the energy. Be aware of your energy field. Be aware of your physical body. And seal the energy. With love and gratitude, in full faith, so be it. And so it is. Seal. And you may open your eyes when you are ready.